Hey everyone, audio cutting out on your Sony WH-1000X-M6 when connected to Mac or PC. This guide covers key fixes to resolve dropout and ensure stable audio performance. To fix audio cutting out on Sony WH-1000X-M6 headphones, first ensure you are using the stereo A2DP profile, not hands-free mode for better sound. On Windows, disable hands-free telephony in device settings and update your Bluetooth drivers. On Mac, reset the Bluetooth module and repair the headphones. Reduce interference by avoiding USB 3.0 port or Wi-Fi routers nearby. For zero issues, consider using a wired connection. Why Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones audio cutting out on Mac or PC using the wrong Bluetooth audio profile. Example, hands-free instead of stereo. Bluetooth interference from Wi-Fi, USB devices or other electronics. Outdated Bluetooth drivers on Windows or Bluetooth catcher issues on Mac operating system. Power service settings, temporarily turning off Bluetooth. Fix one using a wired connection. Wired connections will eliminate all Bluetooth induced latency, ideal for critical video viewing. Plug the included 3.5 mm cable into your headphones and the device. Plug the L-shaped end to the device and straight end to the input audio jack on the left ear cup. Optimize your environment. Bluetooth signals can be affected by physical obstructions and other electronic devices. Move closer to your device to ensure a strong Bluetooth connection. Avoid using your headphones near devices that can cause interference, such as microwave or Wi Fi routers. If you multi connection point, disable another device and connect solely to PC. Fix 3. Check hands-free settings on Windows speaker mode. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, click sound, then go to playback tab, select WS1000XM6 stereo, not hands-free AG audio. Click set default, then go to apply, then OK. On Windows service mode, open control panel, then go to hardware and sound, then device and printers. Right-click your WS1000XM6, then go to properties, go to services tab, unchecked hand-free telephony, click OK and reconnect. Fix 4. Update Bluetooth driver. Old drivers can cause connections drop or profile mismatch. Connect your device to the stable internet connection. Press Windows plus X, choose Device Manager, expand Bluetooth. Right click your adapter, update driver, search automatically. Fix 5. Reset the Bluetooth module. On your Mac, clean any corrupted Bluetooth configuration. Hold Shift plus Option. Click the Bluetooth icon on the menu bar, select Reset the Bluetooth module, restart your Mac and repair the headphones. Fix 6. Remove and re-add the headset. Remove and re-add the headset. Removing and re-adding the headphones clears any corrupted or outdated Bluetooth pairing data, which may prevent the Sony app from detecting the headset correctly. Step 1. Remove headset from Sony Connect app. Open Sony Connect app and tab on My Devices at the bottom left of the screen. Select Go to My Device, tap 3 dots near your headset and select Device Information. Select Delete icon at the top right of the screen. For Windows 10 or 11 to forget the headset, click the Start menu and open Settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices. Find WS1000XM6 in the device list, click on it and select Remove Device. Confirm by clicking Yes. To reconnect, turn on your WS1000XM6, hold your power button until you hear Bluetooth pairing. On your PC, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices. Turn on Bluetooth, click Add Device, then go to Bluetooth. Select WS1000XM6 from the list and follow the prompt. For Mac, to forget the headset, click the Apple menu, go to System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS. Go to Bluetooth, find WS1000XM6 in the list of devices, click the I or X button next to the headset name, select Forget Device or Remove. To reconnect, put your headphones in pairing mode, press and hold the power button until it says Bluetooth pairing. On your Mac, go to System Settings, then Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth if it isn't already. Wait for WS1000XM6 to appear, click Connect. Step 3. Re-add headset on Sony Connect app. Open Sony Connect app and the app will begin automatic search for headphones. If it takes more time than usual, click Search from Bluetooth settings, select the headset from the list. Fix 7. Restart the device. If you find the issue with specific device, then try restarting it to refresh the connection and reestablish it. Windows, click the Start menu Windows icon at the bottom left. Click the power icon, select Restart. For Mac, click the Apple menu at the top left of the screen. Select Restart from the drop-down menu. In the pop-up, click Restart again to confirm. Fix 8. Update to the latest firmware. Firmware update often include battery performance optimization, bug fixes, and improved power management. From your mobile, open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your smartphone. Select your headset. From the dashboard, scroll down and tap on Download Software automatically to choose when update should download for your headphones. To manually update, tap Update Software from the dashboard and follow the on-screen instructions to start the update. To reset settings, tap Initialize Settings from the dashboard to restore both the app and headphones settings to default. Fix 8. Initialize the headphones. Factory reset. If find the issue with all the devices, then factory reset. It will delete all old connections and corrupted settings that may block app detection, providing a fresh start. Turn off the headphones, hold the bar plus custom NC or AMD button for 10 seconds until the indicator flashes 4 times blue. The headphones are now reset to factory default. Prepare them with your phone and open the app. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.